Blessings of God, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSC Business International CEO. I hope you are following me on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 264. Before I proceed to chapter number 264, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 264 is about ergonomics. What is ergonomics? What is important about ergonomics and how we have to combat against ergonomics? Ergonomics is basically an awkward posture which results in issues like work-related upper limb disorder, backache, back pain, fatigue, fracture, injury sort of things. So ergonomics is very important and needs to be applied appropriately to combat against it when the personals are working in the field. In the ergonomics, basically the personnel who are working in the field having a wrong posture or are having a wrong distance between the desk and the chair. For instance, when I am sitting here today also, this is the right posture where I am sitting with the right height of the table. So if it is not okay also, then I can have it ergonomics also. Further to this, the chair I am sitting on it. If I am not having a proper back support of this chair, when I am working for long hours, that can result in ergonomics also. Backache, back pain, work-related upper limb disorders. This is just an example I have just given you. So the right angle, the right posture, the right height, these all things comes down under ergonomics. Personals who are working on the cash lines, personnel working on repetitive movements can result in ergonomics if they don't have proper precautions for that. For instance, the personnel who are working throughout the day, throughout the hours and doesn't having a break for their work can give rise to the ergonomics. Now, I tell you what things need to be looked into when to avoid ergonomics for all type of work areas where it is applied. First of all, there should be a rest break after a half an hour work where the repetitive movement is going on. A break for 5 or 10 minutes will be good enough so that the personnel is ready to work for another time period for that organization and for that work the personnel is doing. Further to this, they should be have a medical check of the personnels who are working in ergonomics related activities throughout the year. They should have at least 2 times a year a proper check about their muscles, about their health, about their overall human health, structure, how it's behaving, how they are getting a reply, and how they need to look into. So this is very important for the people who are working for this. Further to this, job rotation is very important for the personals who are having going to be on the ergonomics like of things. Plus, proper sport is very important for the personals. For instance, if they have no choice, to avoid that work, then we have to make them facilitate as much as possible. For example, there are big construction work going on in big plazas and the buildings are going on. Lot of places when the iron steel is framed down and the people are working there, they don't have a support to sit down over there or to do the work effectively. So what things need to be done? They should be given a small sort of support while doing the work on the iron or that say, so that the ergonomics doesn't come down. So these are the things which I've given you some glance of the examples of the ergonomics and how we have to avoid these ergonomics type of activities so that work related upper limb disorder, backache, back pain, fatigue, fracture, injury doesn't comes down to the personals who are working on these areas. If you need more details, analysis, summary, reports, recommendations, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400. And you can reach me on my another number at +92 314 639 7990. And you can reach me on my email at amirsultana@yahoo.com. And you can reach my company website at www.qhsebusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.